Hey everyone, this is Caroline and this is an update video. Update. I'm so overdue for this video. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you why I'm so overdue. Is because I'm not excited and I've had a lot of struggles and a lot of setbacks. They're just not getting me the results that I like. And you know what? I'm also noticing that I'm fixated on results according to the scale, which everyone already knows you should not go by the scale, but it's just what I do. Let's just cut to the chase. It is week 17, y'all. Week 17. My current weight is 174.2. My last weigh in, which was March 14th, that was at the 10-week mark, was 174.4. So this is basically water weight. I'm struggling so much with the scale. I will say this, I feel stronger. I feel more toned. I fit my clothes a little bit better. I'm not very aggressive with this health journey right now, which is probably why these are the results I'm getting. At week 10, I was happy with the results, but when you get to week 17, this is not what I want. So I haven't fully thought through how I want to revamp this. Okay, so let's just go through the checklist. My fitness, I am continuing to add in my foods. And what I'm noticing is I either need to decrease my caloric intake or I need to be more conscious the types of food that I'm putting in, because basically I'm staying under my calorie count for more 90% of the time, which I feel I should get more results, but I'm not. My water intake, 127 ounces a day. Last week, I decided that I was not going to drink that much water. Honestly, just tired of going to the bathroom all the time. And my body has not adjusted. I don't know if it was supposed to adjust or I was just assuming that. Like, since the first, I've been doing this 127 ounces. Last week, I think also was a big change for me because my cycle is very irregular. My monthly visitor came in and it just threw me off. Like, I feel like my schedule has been totally off. That was the first week that I went back to my 2 workouts instead of the 3. Like, I had ramped up to 3 workouts. And then all of a sudden last week, my water intake went down. My workouts went back to 2 workouts versus the 3. I did hope to start T25 in April and ramp up to 5 workouts, and I did not do that. Made me feel stressed out. Gear up for 5 workouts a week. So I'm gonna go back to the 3 workouts a week. I did forget my workout video in Brentwood, which is like an hour-and-a-half drive, which is why I'm not doing my T25. I've been doing my own circuit training, so I'm doing about 20 minutes workout, not including the rest time. So that's what I'm doing regarding workout. Food prep is non-existent. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't feel like cooking. I'm not cooking really at all. Wait, okay, my YouTube video updates have been very consistent. That and my fitness are probably the 2 strongest areas of my goals for this new year. I'm continuing to post 2 or more videos per week and I'm still enjoying it, which is why that's pretty consistent. Other struggles have not been consistent with sleep. You guys, sleep and water are probably the easiest things that we can do to take care of ourselves. And my allergies, that's the other big thing. My allergies have been horrible. Like, there's so much pollen in the air, and then those wretched little critters, the caterpillars. If you are in the Bay Area, you know what I'm talking about. They are everywhere. I haven't had any allergic reaction to them, but I just feel like, ooh, horrible little critters. I think I want to this year try going more natural regarding my allergies. My other big struggle is because I have not been conscious about the foods that I'm putting into my body, I feel very lethargic. So like when I say I'm doing 3 workouts a week, like sometimes they're all back to back. Like it's like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And that I don't think is really beneficial. I'm more consistent and letting my body rest. So I haven't been getting a good amount of rest at night or in between my workouts because I have not been consistent. So that's the overall big goal, is to be consistent. And I really want to work on that before my next update. I think I should do my updates on the 1st of every month. I did finish the book that I had started on the 1st. It's like I finished it a little bit after my 10-week mark. And my son was like, every day, he's like, have you been reading? Have you been reading? I'm just not an avid reader. Like, I'm most consistent reading my Bible. As I rewatch some of my YouTube videos, I need to expand on my vocabulary, work on my grammar, and having a complete thought and a complete sentence. So I need to read more. Go back to my water intake, 127 ounces, work out 3 times a week, give my body rest at night and also in between my workouts, and also to read more. So I need to pick up a new book. If you have a book that you want to recommend, please put it in the comment section. I'm sorry this is kind of like all over the place, and you're probably wondering like, why is she always in her car? You know what? I'm a mom. That's why I'm in the car. So my kid is doing his piano lessons, Sala's having her snack before starting her homework, and Yoni is just running around the house, and I set the alarm. We can all hear when he tries to escape. God bless you guys all. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel. I am not perfect. Y'all know. If y'all subscribe to this channel, y'all know I am not perfect. But I want to grow with you guys. I feel like I'm growing as my channel continues to grow. I am growing as a person. So God bless you guys all, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.